is from chemistry. What is the chemical formula of ammonia? What is the chemical formula of ammonia? Is it NO2? That's A. B. NH4. C. NH3. D. N2O. C. NH3. That's correct.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Education TV Nigeria quiz competition, inter-school quiz competition. Before we go into the quiz properly, I want to introduce the director of Education TV Nigeria and person of Mr. Oluwafemi Oluwalemu. A round of applause for him. Also, we have to introduce our chief judge for today's quiz competition in person of Mr. Okpeyemi Olaoluwa. All right, I'll have to introduce the timekeeper for this quiz competition in person of Queen Owolabi Mabel. Okay, our media man, we have Mr. Ida Thomas. A round of applause for him. Our moderator, Mrs. Amuson, I'll be moderating for today's quiz competition. A round of applause for him. All right, we want to welcome our participants. But before I welcome our participant, I'll have to introduce the school that will be participating in today's competition, quiz competition. I have Holofa Grammar School. A round of applause for you. I have to introduce the participants. Please, if I call your name, you come forward. We have Lukman Bosse. A round of applause for her. Oshuolale Sunday. We have Olashukomi Victor. Okay, before I proceed to the next school, I will have to introduce the principal of Olofa Grammar School and the person of Mr. Oyetoro Eso. Clap for him. You are welcome, sir. All right, the vice principal in Asepsha, we have Mrs. Folari. A round of applause for her. Now, the second school that I'll be introducing is Edu High School. And the participants, we have Anthony Oluwa Tobiloba. A round of applause for them. You're welcome. We have Ogunwale David. A round of applause for him. And the last participant, we have Ismail Abdurrahman. Before I proceed, I will have to introduce the principal of Edu High School and person of Mr. Pokbola. A round of applause in Asepsha. Okay, we have Mrs. Olatunji. Thank you, ma'am. All right. So the quiz properly, how we have to hand over to the game master.
The quiz will be conducted in rounds. Okay, so for today we shall be having 4 rounds. Okay, we shall be having 4 rounds today. The first round is mathematics. Okay, then we have English language for the second round. For the third round we have sciences. Then we have current affairs for the 4th round. So please take note of that. And then each round consists of multiple choice questions. Okay, take note of that. Now for your time allocation, are you listening? Okay, so each team has 20 seconds to answer mathematics questions and you have 10 seconds for other questions. 20 seconds to answer mathematics questions, then 10 seconds for other questions. So if your team fails to answer within the given time, then the question passes to the next team for a bonus. For instance, if this group misses the answer, then it goes to this group for a bonus. All right. So for each question, you score 2 marks. You score 2 marks for one question. Then if you miss the question, it goes to the other group as a bonus, and that is 1 mark. So 2 marks for one question that is correctly answered. Then I would like to talk about your conduct and discipline as far as today's competition is concerned. Please pay attention. So teams must maintain discipline and respect for the quiz master and judges. All right, please comport yourselves. No argument, but I promise to treat everyone fairly. Please take note of that. Then any form of cheating or misconduct may lead to disqualification. All right, so if you have any material on you that can implicate you, like phones, okay, or any other gadgets, so please do away with such, because you might be disqualified. Now there's room for tiebreaker. What is tiebreaker? For instance, at the end of the competition, the 2 teams have the same scores, let's say 20-20. Then we need to come up with a winner. So we'll give you a question, no options, okay, no multiple options. So the group that answers the question correctly first emerges the winner. Do you understand that? That is in case we have tiebreaker. All right, so okay, now the decision of the quiz master and judges is final and binding. Okay, no argument about that. Finally, at Edu TV Nigeria, no school or no student is a loser. Okay, you are all winners. Do you understand? So applaud yourselves, please. So let the competition begin. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Put your hands together for yourself, please. So without wasting our time, we start with the first round, which is mathematics questions, and we have questions 1 to 10. Questions 1 to 10. So you pick your question from 1 to 10, and your time starts now. Olofa Grammar School. Pardon? Please be audible, please. Use your microphone. Question number 2. Evaluate log 16 over log 32. Evaluate log 16 over log 32. Is it A, 3 over 5, B, 4 over 5, C, 2 over 3? 4 over 5. That's correct. Put your hands together for them, please. Edu High School, please, your question. Question number 8. Question number 8, please listen. If a triangle has angles 50 degree and 60 degree, find the third angle. If a triangle has angle 50 degree and 60 degree, find a triangle. Is it A, 70 degree, B, 60 degree, or C, 80 degree? 70 degree is correct, but the option is B. Okay, put your hands together for them, please. Olofa Grammar School, your question, please. Question number 5. Please listen. What is the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation? What is the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation? S squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. A, 4, B, 5, C, 6. That's incorrect. That's incorrect. Bonus question to Edu High School. I won't take the question again. That's incorrect. From the audience, please. From the audience? 5. That's correct. The correct answer is 5. Now your question. Edu High School, your question? Question number 4. The 11th term of an arithmetic progression is 63. What is the first term of its common difference? The 11th term of an arithmetic progression is 63. What is the first term if its common difference is 3? A. 31, B. 32, C. 33. Okay, bonus question to all of our grammar school. That's correct. Put your hands together for them, please. 33 is the correct answer. Your question, all of our grammar school. Please always use a microphone, please. Please, you have to be audible. Thank you. Your question, please. Question number 7. A student scored 15 out of 60 marks. A student scored 15 out of 60 marks. What percentage is this? A. 15%, B. 25%, C. 30%. Use your microphone, please. Okay, our students, that's time up. That's time up. Bonus question to you. That's correct. 25%. 25%. Please, I'd like to advise you, if you didn't get the question correctly next time, be hasty about to ask, okay? Ask your questions before your time runs out. All right? Don't waste your time. All right? So we have questions 1. We have questions 3, we have question 9 and 10. I'll take it again. Question 1, question 3, question 6, question 9 and 10. Now your question. That's Edu question 9. Round off 241.863 to the nearest whole number. Round off 241.863 to the nearest whole number. A. 240, B. 241, C. 242. 242, that's correct. Give them a round of applause, please. Your question, all of our grammar school. Question number 1. Solve the simultaneous equation. Solve the simultaneous equation. 2x plus 4y is equal to 42, and 6x minus 4y is equal to 30. 2x plus 4y is equal to 42, then 6x minus 4y is equal to 30. A. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 4. B. X is equal to 9, y is equal to 6. Then C. X equals 10, y equals 5. That's correct. That's correct. X equals 9, y equals 6. That's correct. So with this, we've come to the end of the first round, which is mathematics. So we move on to the next round, which is English language. So I think Edu will be starting first this time around. Okay. All right. Okay, your question, Edu High School. Question number 10. John had already done the work. John had already done the work. Change this to passive voice. A. The work had already been done by John. B. The work was done already by John. C. The work is already done by John. C. That's incorrect. That's incorrect. Bonus to A. That's correct. The work had already been done by John. Your question, please. Olofa Grammar School. Question number 2. Please listen. Nobody dash when the teacher talks. Nobody dash when the teacher talks. A. Writes. B. Write. C. Writing. A. Writes. That's correct. Put your hand together for them, please. Your question, Education. Question number 6. She works at the hospital. She works at the hospital. She is written in capital letter. That's the emphasized word. Okay. Now choose the correct emphatic stress. Choose the correct emphatic stress. A. Who works at the hospital? B. Where does she work? Then C. Does she work at the hospital? A. Who works at the hospital? That's correct. Put your hands together for them, please. Olofa Grammar School, your question. Question number 1. What does the expression French leave mean? French leave, what does it mean? A. Go without permission. B. Go with permission. C. Go to France. What is A? Go without permission. Please applaud them, please. Go without permission is an idiomatic expression. All right, the next question number 4. Please listen. The prince with his brother dash promoted. The prince, comma, with his brother dash promoted. A. Was. B. Were. C. Had. Did you say where? Okay, that's incorrect. That's incorrect. Bonus. Was. That's correct. Was. Your question? Question number 5. Please pay attention. What is the opposite of the word provoke? The opposite of the word provoke. A. Pacify. B. Annoy. C. Bitter. A. Pacify. That's correct. That word is pronounced pacify, okay? Not pacify. Your question, Education High School. Question number 9. A few of the boys dash present. A few of the boys dash present. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. Your answer, please. Which one, please? Okay, you're disqualified for that question. Bonus to. That's correct. Okay, we have questions 3, 7, and 8. Questions 3, 7, and 8. So your question. Question number 7. What is the nearest in meaning to the word miscellaneous? Miscellaneous, rather. Miscellaneous. Okay. A. Various. B. Expenses. C. Bountiful. A. That's correct. Okay, your question. Education. Question 8. Please listen. How many sounds are there in English language? How many speech sounds do we have in the English language? A. 20, B. 24, and C. 44. That's correct. We have 44 sounds in the English language. All right. So we have only question 2 left for you. Sorry, question 3. Bola is quite extravagant. Extravagant here means what? Bola is quite extravagant. That's correct. Wasteful. Okay, with that, we've come to the end of the second round, which is English language. So we move on to the next round, which is sciences. Are you ready? Okay, we also have questions 1 to 10. So you pick your questions from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Oliver Grammar School, your question. Question number 2. This is from chemistry. What is the chemical formula of ammonia? What is the chemical formula of ammonia? Is it NO2? That's A. B. NH4. C. NH3. D. N2O. C. NH3. That's correct. Put your hands together for them. Edu High School, your question. Question number 8. Please listen. This is physics. What is the SI unit of electric current? What is the SI unit of electric current? A. Volts. B. Ampere. C. Watt. D. Ohm. That's correct. Put your hands together for them, please. Oliver Grammar School, your question. Question number 5. The force that opposes the relative motion of two surfaces in contact is called. The force that opposes the relative motion of two surfaces in contact is called A. Tension. B. Friction. C. Thrust. D. Gravity. Friction, that's correct. Edu High School, your question. Question number 7. Chemistry. Which gas is commonly used in balloons because it is lighter than air? Which gas is commonly used in balloons because it is lighter than air? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium. D. Carbon dioxide. That's incorrect. Bonus question to Oliver Grammar School. Oxygen, that's also incorrect. To the audience, please. Nitrogen is incorrect. The correct answer is helium. Put your hands together for the quiz master, please. Now your question. Oliver Grammar School. Question number 3. Physics. A body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. Which of Newton's law states this? A. Law of universal gravitation. B. Second law. C. First law. And D. Third law. C. First law. That's correct. Put your hands together for them. Edu High School, your question. Question number 5. Taken. Question 2. Taken. Okay. Question 1. Which organ, that's biology, which organ in the body, in the human body, is responsible for pumping blood? Which organ in the human body is responsible for pumping blood? A. Kidney. B. B, lungs, C, liver, and D, heart. That's correct. Put your hands together for them, please. Your question, all of our grammar school, we have questions 4, question 9, and 10. 8 has been taken. Question 10, chemistry. What is the pH value of a neutral substance? What is the pH value of a neutral substance? A, 0, B, 7, C, 10, and D, 14. B7, correct. That's correct. Your question number 4. Okay, chemistry. What type of reaction occurs when an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water? Wow, that's correct. Beautiful. Put your hands together for them, please. All right, with that, we've also come to the end of the third round. Okay, gradually we're moving to the last round. So before the last round, we're going to embark on just 2 minutes break. Okay, so see you after the break. Thank you. All right, you're all welcome back from the short break. How was the break? All right, thank you. So this is the last round, like I said, and it is on current affairs based on Nigerian matters. Okay, so you have questions 1 to 10 as usual. So Edu Oshun, you go first. Pick your question from 1 to 10. Question number 6. Which Nigerian footballer won the African Player of the Year award in 2023? Which Nigerian footballer won the African Player of the Year award in 2023? A, Victor Osimhen, B, JJ Okocha, C, Wilfred Ndidi, then D, Ahmed Musa. Victor Osimhen is correct. Please applaud them, please. Olofa Grammar School. Question number 2. How many geopolitical zones are there in Nigeria? How many geopolitical zones do we have in Nigeria? A, 5, B, 6, C, 7, D, 4. We have 6. That's correct. Applaud him, please. Your question, please. Number 8. Okay. What is the highest rank in the Nigerian army? What is the highest rank in the Nigerian army? A, Brigadier General, B, Colonel, C, Field Marshal, and D, Major General. Brigadier General, Colonel, Field Marshal, Major General. A, that's incorrect. Bonus question to Olofa Grammar School. Major General is also incorrect. Members of the audience, okay, sorry, Colonel is also incorrect. The correct answer is Field Marshal. Put your hands together for the quiz master, please. All right, your question. That's Olofa Grammar School. Your question, please. Question number 6. Taken. 7. Okay. What is the name of Nigeria's national anthem? What is the name of Nigeria's national anthem? The current one. Okay. A, arise, O compatriots. B, Nigeria we hail thee. C, we are one. D, proudly Nigerian. Nigeria we hail. That's correct. Applaud him, please. Okay, your question. Question number 4. What is Nigeria's currency called? Nigeria's currency is called what? Do you need options for that? Okay, A, dollar, B, cedi, C, naira, and D, pound. Naira. That's correct. Applaud them, please. Okay, your question, Olofa Grammar School. Question number 1, okay. Who was the first president of Nigeria? The first president of Nigeria. A, Yakubu Gowon, B, Olusegun Obasanjo, C, Nnamdi Azikiwe, D, Tafawa Balewa. Tafawa Balewa is incorrect. Bonus. That's correct. Nnamdi Azikiwe. You can pick. You can pick between 9 and 10. Between 9 and 10. Question 9. Question 9. How many local government areas do we have in Nigeria? How many local government areas do we have in Nigeria? A, 744, B, 774, C, 710, D, 750. Sorry? B, 744. That's correct. Applaud them, please. Applaud them, please. So we have questions 5 and 10. Questions 5 and 10. 5. Okay. What is the full meaning of FCT? FCT. A, Federal Capital Territory. Okay. B, food come fast. Food come. Okay. Then C, fine chemical theater. Federal Capital Territory. That's great. Applaud them, please. Applaud them, please. Okay, you have the last question. That is Edu High School. Sorry? Number 10. That's the last question, please. What is the name of Nigeria's first university? The name of Nigeria's first university. A, University of Ibadan. B, Obafemi Awolowo University. C, University of Lagos. And D, Ahmadu Bello University. University of Ibadan. That's correct. Applaud them, please. Calculation for them. All right. So with that, we've come to the end of the 4 rounds. So while we wait for the judges to put together their scores, we'll have to inform you that the platform that is bringing this to you is none other than Edu TV Nigeria. Okay, our mission is to support education in Nigeria and help students achieve their talents, okay, and their potential as far as education is concerned. Okay, so we wish you all the best in your pursuits. All right, welcome back. So the moment you've been waiting for is right here. So it is time to announce the results of the competition. On mathematics, Olofa Grammar School scored 11 marks. Please put your hands together for them, please. Edu scored 7 marks. Applaud them, please. English language, Edu scored 4 marks. Applaud them, please. Olofa Grammar School came up with 13 marks. On sciences, Edu scored 6 marks. Applaud them, please. Then Olofa Grammar School scored 8 marks. And then lastly, on current affairs, Edu scored 9 marks, while Olofa Grammar School scored 6. Applaud them, please. All right. So having said that, I'd like to announce the overall marks or scores. So Edu came up with a total marks of 26. Put your hands together for them, please. They scored 26 marks at the end of the competition, while Olofa Grammar School scored 38 marks. All right. So with that, Olofa Grammar School emerged winner of the competition. However, I said this earlier. In Edu TV, you are all winners. Okay, no one is a loser. All right. So tell yourself, I'm a winner. I'm a winner. Thank you. God bless you.